Hi, this is John from Max, and what I'll be doing is installing Windows 2000. Windows 2000 is Microsoft's kickoff from the traditional uh, installing one apparatus or peripheral at a time to installing uh, and taking advantage of the Windows 98 second edition where it actually worked, the plug and play features, and also the security features coming from Windows NT. That's pretty much the extent of my knowledge base because, of course, you had other things that were going along at that particular point in time, far as how it connected to the internet. I mean, to the network, and I didn't really get into networking from a server's position until Windows 2008. Okay, as we can see at this point, this is a Windows 2000 image uh, file that I had to utilize because for some reason the disk, the CD with my image that I created wouldn't work properly. So I thank the person that provided this for me. See if I can find him. I believe this is the the boot, and I thank all the guys at lmsfn.org, the party that provided the image for this particular install, because my Microsoft Windows 2000 disk for some reason didn't work properly. Those of us that have installed the different operating systems, even up to 2012 server in Windows 8, you have different types of options of installing when you can bypass some of the features from the actual disk itself, uh, called scripts generically. You can go in and create your own image that would bypass some of the things that you would run into. That was the problem that I had with the disk that I had from my Windows 2000 disk. And after about an hour or so working, I said, well, maybe someone else may have uh, created an image somewhere. And I thank the guys at lmsfn.org, the party that actually supplied this image, because uh, it was, you know, uh, a task, and not really knowing exactly where to go. And of course, there always is a remedy. And what I could have done is go into the process of how to deploy images on a server and create an image that way. However, this is a quick uh, remedy to that situation that I came into with Again, this is just a demonstration of how you would do an install, and basically this is more than just a basic, because this one actually is looking for some other things to uh, install too, far as the service packs. And I think this one has the up to service pack 4 or 5. I'm not sure if it had 5 or not. Install additions. As one can see, this is the difference between Windows 98 and Windows 2000, and also the difference between Windows 98 and Me, because those are close cousins with Windows 95. But moving forward to Windows 2000, as you can see, the virtual environment additions were allowed to be installed. This is what allows one to actually change some of the other features. For instance, here we can change the screen look to the traditional screen size in proportion that the XP, Windows 7, and Vista and Windows 8 would be able to, and Server would be able to function at. And I'm going to start at Office 96 again, because so you will see exactly basically what I was see the difference. Screen size, everything is proportioned, and so on and so forth.